After several months of trial and error, the Russian Space Forces (VKS) detonated the UMPC Fab 1500 M54 bomb for the first time. The bomb hit the planned target with an accuracy of 5 meters. What did the Russians do? They mounted a Fab 1500 guidance kit and turned it from a conventional bomb into a smart bomb. Such kits have been used on Fab 250 and Fab 500. But for the Fab 1500, the design had to be done from scratch. This allows the carrier of these bombs to detonate them without entering enemy airspace. The accuracy of the new bomb is 5 meters. And the bomb creates an explosion crater 15 meters in diameter, and combined with 700 kilograms of explosive, there is little chance of survival of the target. This bomb can be carried by Sukhoi 34 and Sukhoi 35 fighters. The first reports that Russia used general-purpose bombs equipped with wing kits to hit targets in Ukraine emerged on January 4, 2023.